moifo o tlisetsa kgaso ya ditaba ka puo ya Sesotho re boka dikgomo ke tsamaya mmoho le Agustin Letlalo ha re dithakgole ka o lekola tse itlhommeng pele. Moahlodi Mandisa Maya o fana ka ditaelo nyeweng ya MKP e kgahlano le qeto ya mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa mabapi le letona la sepolesa Sesotho.
Senzo will not step aside in relation to the ANC as an elected member. And he's got an opportunity now, in terms of the Audi principle, to also state the side of the story.
Mongodi e moholo wa ANC Fikile Mbalula o re Sesotho o tla tswela pele ka mosebetsi wa hae ka hara mokga.
Stepping up. And in the end, she's found the top corner. There's a man and celebrations.
Dipapading Banyana Banyana e finyeletse ho seka makgaola kgang a tlhodisano ya WAFCON Morocco. Hariwele khabong moahlodi e moholo Mandisa Maya o fane ka ditaelo tsa mopresidente wa mokga wa MK ya Jacob Zuma ka ho phephetsa qeto ya mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa ya ho beha letona la sepolesa Sesotho matsatsing a ikgethang a phomolo. Zuma le mokga wa habo ba hlahletse nyewe kgahlano le ho thongwa ha moprofesara Firosa Kachalia ho nka maemo a nakwana a letona la sepolesa. Ditaelo tsena di behetswe nako hore ba kgahlano le makadi ba fane ka affidaviti tsa bona pele kapa ka labobedi lena le tlang ntle le moo bohle ba tlang ho ba le karolo ka nyewe ena ba kenye dikopo tsa bona pele ho letsatsi la hosane le dikela. Komiti ya naha ya tshebetso ya ANC e tshwere kopano Cape Town ho lekola tshebetso ya makala a mokga Western Cape. Sesotho ya sa tswa behwa matsatsing a phomolo ye ikgethang ke mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa ke karolo ya kopano ena. Mongodi e moholo wa mokga Fikile Mbalula o re Mchunu a keke a behellwa thoko mesebetsing ya ANC.
What the president has done to process the allegations that were made is the correct thing to do by a sitting president in a constitutional democracy, which is what President Ramaphosa has done, and that's what we as the ANC support. That what has been raised by the general is now receiving full attention and is being attended to. Senzo will not step aside in relation to the ANC as an elected member. And he's got an opportunity now, in terms of the Audi principle, to also state the side of the story, of his story. Now, once we listen to that, it is also evaluated in terms of facts by a competent, independent judge and a panel, Judicial Commission, like the president have appointed. Then we can pass judgment.
Ka holeleng mopresidente wa ACT Magashule o se hollotse ho thongwa ha moprofesara Firosa Kachalia e le letona la nakwana la sepolesa. O re ho thongwa ha hae ho supa hantle hore mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa ha ana tshepo ho kabinete ya hae. ACT e re e tshehetsa General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
How do you have all ANC leaders in parliament and you go outside that leadership? So the president has no confidence in his own leaders, in his own National Executive Committee members. What makes the ANC National Executive Committee to be so scared? What is happening? What's happening there? And there are many good comrades and leaders within the ANC.
Mokaubere ibile ili sitsibi sa dipolitiki Judicial Nanzi o re o ngorehiswa ke maemo a renang ha jwale dipolotiking tsa Afrika Borwa. Sena se latela diqoso tse entsweng ke mokomishenara wa sepolesa sa KwaZulu-Natal, Molefthenente General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi Pejana.
Thutofatlhosho ya ngwaga ka ngwaga ya molola tokologo Lawrence Phokanoka e swere bjale ka segopotso sa kgalala yen. Madimetša Lawrence Phokanoka o belegwe ka ngwaga wa 1938 go laga phahla seleteng sa Sekhukhune fao a tsenetšego mokgatlo wa SABC le ANC ka ngwaga wa 1959 le 1960 ge a be e le moithuti University ya Fort Hare. O swere ke mmušo wa hlaolele le go romelwa kgolegong mengwaga ye 18 go la Robben Island. Phokanoka o gopotšwe ka boikgafo bja gagwe go tlankeleng setšhaba.
But he had a special disposition for mathematics and natural sciences. And he was enrolled for a Bachelor of Science degree and applied mathematics and physics.
Phokanoka o hlokofetše ka ngwaga wa 2005 a ena le mengwaga e 67. Ba lapa le mokgatlo wa Lawrence Madimetša Phokanoka Foundation ba re thutofatlhosho ye e nepile go netefatša gore bokgwa bja gagwe bo tšwetšwa pele.
Ba hlohleletša bana go ya sekolong le go tseba maths and science a re ke tše dinne go di nyakega go matšatši a
re lemogile gore no bokgwa bja go se go hwelela sa rena go tšwela pele re make sure gore thuto ya gagwe re iša kwa bana ba bannyana.
Lenyaga ke mengwaga ye 20 mola a robala go boroko bjo bogolo fao a gopolwa go bjale ka molola tokologo yeo a bego a nyaka toka go badudi. Nna ke Koketšo Motau wa ditaba tša SABC Mankwe.
Mongodi e moholo wa ANC Fikileng Mbalula o hlalositse hore o ananela puso ya Morocco ho morabe wa Sahrawi Western Sahara ke moetapele wa mokga wa MK Jacob Zuma ha o makatse. Mbalula o bolela ha Zuma a rata ho ba karolo ya dintho tse senang molemo kapa tse fosahetseng. O re ANC e tla dula e lwanela boikemelo ba morabe wa Sahrawi athi mokga wa MK ona o phatlaladitse ha o tshehetsa tshebetso dipakeng tsa Afrika Borwa le naha ya Morocco.
We as the ANC, we will fight side by side for the self-determination of the Sahrawi people. We are in solidarity with them, and Morocco must stop the occupation of Western Sahara. Zuma is no messiah. He's a sellout of note. For whatever reason that he's doing all of this, it's no surprise to us. The very decision to steal the assets of the ANC to form a political party and call it what it is, to divide our people, weaken the African National Congress for his own personal aggrandizement, is what he has been. He will be remembered for that.
Mothehi wa SANEF Amina France ore hona le kgaello ya boikarabelo ba mmuso ho thibela bobodu le kabo e fosahetseng ya ditendara ka hara naha ka bophara. O boetse a qosa letona la thuto e phahameng Nobuhle Nkabane ka bobodu.
I think we don't seem to have an accountability process within government, or an accountability process that is working at all. How does it come to this? You know, how long does it take for whistleblowers, for the media to uncover these irregularities? And we're talking about millions that should have been spent and could have been spent. So that really gives us, you know, a bad name. But are we going to stop it? It seems to be so widespread. It seems to be so widespread.
Dipapading bompudi ba sireletsang tlhodisanong ya mohope wa Afrika ya basadi WAFCON Banyana Banyana e fihleletse ho seka makgaolakgang ka mora ho hlola Senegal ka dintlha tse 4 ho 1 ka thaho ya dipenele maobane Morocco.
Senegal e ne phamisitse mmapalo wa yona papisong le dipapadi tse fetileng. Dihlopha ka bobedi di qetile metsotso e 90 ntle le ntlha. sethibathibane sa Banyana Banyana Andile Dlamini o sireleditse dipenele tse pedi ho thusa sehlopha ho fihlella tlholo e ne le lekgetlo la pele Banyana Banyana e hlolwa ka thaho ya dipenele tournamenteng ya AFCON.
We've been practicing penalties and we knew who our kickers were going to be. That's why we made the changes that we made as well. We always knew that Andile can save one or two. We always knew, she's done it before. By the way, this is our first penalty shootout winning it.
It wasn't easy.
Banyana Banyana e tla lwanela ho finyella ho makgaolakgang a tlhodisano ena ha e bapala le Nigeria ka Labobedi Casablanca.
Weso ho rwalla ha se o qeta moru ha direngwe hape ho sasa ke ba moifo wa ditaba tsa Setswana ka hora ya bosupa phirimana hona mona ho SABC 2 le SABC le hae ho latela bolepi khotso.